Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is our second video for today. If you haven't watched our previous video, do so now. You can pause this video, go and watch it. It's very funny. Today I'm going to be doing Cousin Does My Makeup.
Okay.
So normally on YouTube you'll see like boyfriend does my makeup, mother does my makeup. I think I should have asked my mom, but it's okay. We're going to be using my cousin today. A quick disclaimer, my cousin is not a big fan of makeup whatsoever, so it's like her first time actually doing it by herself, so it's going to be very entertaining and fun and a new learning experience for her. So guys, see with her, she doesn't know what to want. You know that you have some girls that are not so fancy with makeup, not so, you know, so she's one of them. So Tash, are you ready?
Whoa.
Whoa. She's really not ready. So what are you going to do first? And the things that we're going to be using, guys, is the makeup I was using in our previous video. So
I use babies.
And what's that? What's baby skin? Yeah, talk to the people, man. What are you using? What you say, baby skin?
Yeah.
And what you think baby skin is? I use this. I normally use this first on your face. Why do you think I use it? To kind of keep the makeup. I think that's the reason. So this is what you're gonna use first.
Yeah.
Alright, so use it first. Then it's the primer that I'm gonna use first. It's the same thing as this. Other girl. So you know, come make me a baddie. Feel good now, yeah. From your face. The smell, when you know that say it smell, it's when you actually apply for your face. That's it, I can't know what we do first video now.
Sit down.
Mom, why are you talking in our video? Huh, Mom? you don't need a lot, alright? Yeah, that we do. You think you get everywhere?
Supposed to.
You see a little thing going on right up here, but you must know you're the makeup artist for today.
Not a good one.
Don't be afraid to rub me, you know. Rub me! Rub me!
It's gonna put on foundation.
You think normal, you can put on the foundation first, but you think it's better if you do my eyebrow first? Like do my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Alright, so just
forever. Life is gonna live forever. Man is gonna live forever.
This is a very fun video, I love it.
So I'm putting on eyeliner.
It's actually eyebrow pencil, okay. I'm not a pro myself at times.
So.
Not bad, not bad. But you could have given me like a arch, but alright. Alright. It's not bad, I guess, guys. Cut it. So the eyeshadow, you want the brush? Okay guys, a little bit of problem. We lost the eyeshadow brush, so she's gonna use her finger. Guys, please see with us. I'm not into that.
So I'm gonna use purple. So guys, I did not use any concealer.
Why? You remember when I always put on the concealer on the eyebrows? You think you want to try it with the concealer?
I will try. One is warm on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, here goes.
Nothing.
Love is gonna live forever. Life is gonna live forever.
This side, don't put on makeup.
She put it right. She put it right on the brow. No dash. Let me just teach you like under here.
Yeah.
You did to like clean up the eyebrows, make it look a bit more, you know, posh, I guess. Yeah, rub it out.
Yes.
You got the back in.
Yes. So, do back on this.
Yeah, you actually get it. So all you need to do now, like take your fingers through, don't have the right brush and just like fix it up. Yeah.
Guys, makeup take a lot of work.
And a lot of time.
My first time actually adding on makeup.
Okay guys, what do you think for our first time with makeup? She's trying. She's
So
trying.
I'm gonna add back the purple eye.
Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Treading together, holding hands.
So I was thinking, should I put on this? I don't think I will put on any. So guys, I add foundation somewhere.
So foundation time, guys. I can't believe we reached 10 minutes. I'm gonna cut most of this. Mom, you're in the video, Mom.
Governor. Governor. So I'm gonna add pressing powder, brush, highlight.
The sun, you are the moon, the star, the children. Love is gonna be here. I know that I can.
Blush. Yeah, it's too easy to frighten.
A few moments later.
I think that's it. Lip gloss. So, this is it. This is so weird.
That's it. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial. This is 13 minutes and I gotta cut all of this. My mom keep appearing.
best.
She did her best. My mom keep appearing in the video and she doesn't want to be in the video, but here she's still behind us when she's ready. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below as to what you think about this video. And yeah, don't judge. It's her first time, and tell me what you guys think she did for her first time, because I think it's not bad. She just needs to blend a bit more, a lot more, but it's good. Tash, how you think you did?
Well, I think I did my best.
Okay, that's it.
I have to learn more about makeup.
Okay.
Because I'm not a big fan of makeup.
Okay, well guys, thank you so much again for watching, and yeah.